Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel today. We've missed you all. My name is Teresa, Lokmane is behind the camera, and today we're bringing you an exclusive recipe only from our ebook. If you'd like to purchase, the link is below. But today's recipe is Moroccan lemon chicken with carrots. Djej bil. Stay tuned towards the end of the video. We'll show you the finished product. It's delicious. So stay with us and we'll get to it right now. We have turmeric, black pepper, powdered ginger, salt. This is preserved lemon in its juice, garlic, carrots, parsley or cilantro, onion, and chicken. Great, so we definitely need a pressure cooker. If you don't have a pressure cooker, use a Dutch oven. And if you don't have a Dutch oven, you'll just cook your chicken longer and you'll boil your carrots before you add them to your chicken. So there's always a way to do it, but let's try with our pressure cooker today. First things first, I will grate my onion with a grater and put this into my pressure cooker. So I grate most of the onion and then I take the rest and I cut it into small pieces. It's really nice to have some small pieces in this dish. And watch out if you have a strong onion. That was probably my worst onion ever. Okay, so I have onion in my pot in my pressure cooker. Now I will take about 3/4 of a kilo, about 1.5 pounds of chicken. Now use bone in if you can. It'll make your sauce more delicious. If you don't want to use bones, that's okay. Use chicken breast, but if you can, use it with bones. Great. Now I take my spices. I have a tablespoon of turmeric, the same amount, a tablespoon of ground ginger, and a teaspoon of black pepper. Don't worry about your salt just yet. Alrighty, mix this with a spoon. Don't worry about adding salt just yet. If you're using the juice from preserved lemon, it'll be really salty and you won't need to add salt. If you're using regular lemon juice, then you'll need to add salt. So stay with us till the end and we'll show you how we do it. Now turn on your stove and let your chicken, onion, spices begin to cook with the top off while you prepare your garlic and your herbs. Remember, this recipe is only in our ebook, so we're happy to bring it to you guys on our YouTube channel. Again, if you want to purchase that, click the link below in the description. Let's get back to it. So we've mixed in our herbs, our garlic with our spices, chicken. We have the stove on about medium. I mix, add a little bit of oil, a little bit of water, put the lid on, and let's start pressure cooking.
Hello, Lokmane here. Okay, now, while your chicken is cooking, we will prepare our carrots. What I will do, I will peel them, cut them, take the inside, the hard parts, and chop them in small pieces, and come back to you. Normally, I don't enjoy eating carrots so much, I eat some, but with this recipe, I really love them because they're lemony, sweet, and salty.
after about 25-30 minutes, check your chicken, make sure it's cooking, make sure there's enough liquid. So let's take a look. So it's cooking well, it's close to finishing. So I'll add in the preserved lemon and the chopped carrots. Wonderful. After you've added those carrots, lemon, everything, you wait about 20-25 minutes and then you check. We should be good to go. It should be golden and ready and time for you to add your preserved lemon juice. So let's check it out. Beautiful, this looks fantastic. We're just going to add 2 tablespoons of preserved lemon juice. We taste it. If we need more salt, then we add it. And the preserved lemon juice it's like viscous, it's really rich. It's been fermenting a little bit, so it's delicious. If you can, use your preserved lemons. And we'll link our preserved lemon recipe right up here. So check it out, they're fantastic. Don't forget, if you don't have that preserved lemon, you can use your regular lemon, but be sure to add your salt. So thank you so much. We're all finished for today. This recipe is fantastic. It's so yummy, it's lemony, it's delicious. So enjoy, and don't forget, if you'd like to support us a little bit more, we have tons of videos on our channel, recipes, vlogs, all sorts of content. So check out one of our playlists. We link them in the description below. And don't forget to check out that ebook if you would like. It's $9.95 and we really appreciate your support. You get 8 authentic Moroccan recipes, including this one. So, bis hawraha, Kemlin. Enjoy. We'll see you next time.